show you shit that you might not know. Welcome, my friend, to the BWIT show. Alright, welcome back. Now that we got Odoo up and going, what we're going to do now is install NGINX. And I'm going to show you how to do that here very briefly. Should not take us very long. You guys stay tuned, stay with me. Let's go ahead and get NGINX installed here. NGINX. You guys pause the video, take a look at what I'm typing in, that way you don't have to. So we're installing NGINX. Once we get that, we'll simply edit the config file that we'll create, which is here in ECT NGINX config.d.odoo.conf, and I'll leave the information in the description. I'll leave a link in the description. All you have to do is copy and paste the configuration and adapt it to your needs. So I've copied this. I'm going to make a few adjustments to the name to correspond to the actual server. So you can see here I'm making a few changes to correspond to the server name or domain name. So every place that you see that, you want to make that. And once we've done that, we save, hit that, get out of there. Restart. Oh, you know what? Let me pause, because one thing that I didn't do, I need to create my key. So bear with me. I'm gonna put this on a slight hiatus. Okay, hold on. Okay, so one crucial step that I did forget, and that is we got to create the SSL key. Okay, so let's do that. I'll give you a minute. You might want to pause the video. I'm not sure if you can see that. How about we do this? So I want you to be able to see this on the screen here. Control, let's clear that. And then, all right, so you guys pause, ladies and gents, pause the screen, take a look. We're going to run an open SSL. We're going to create our SSL key with the key and certificate. So once you take a peek at that, pause, copy that down. I'll leave a link in the description where you can find all the steps we kind of step you to get this set up. So, but once you get that, go ahead and hit enter. Or actually, I need to sudo. To do this as super user, if you're not already. Hit enter. It's going to generate our key. We got to enter all the corresponding information. Got city, state, or state, city, your organization, your department or unit, then your fully qualified domain name, our domain, that, and put in our email. good to go. And so what you can do to verify this, that the config is good, is type in sudo nginx space -t, and there we go. Syntax is good, looks good. Let's restart nginx. Sudo system ctl restart nginx. Go. And we are now ready to see if our site is online using our reverse proxy. One. And remember, before, if you checked out our last video, we were all the traffic, HTTP traffic was unsecure, and it was being routed through port 8069. So now we've updated, we've installed NGINX, we've set the configuration file, edited that to reflect our site and domain, and set the reverse proxy up. Now we're going to see if we are in business, folks, and lo and behold, we have, this is typically what you will see when you're using a self-signed certificate, which that's what we set up. I'm going to click advanced, proceed. Sorry, proceed. And as long as you did everything correctly, it brings us back here. I walked you through going through this on the previous video, but as long as you got everything set up right with your reverse proxy and your SSL certificate, you should be getting through with a secure connection now, utilizing regular HTTPS access, which you can see here we got HTTPS. I'm not going to go through, I stepped through and I did this, but maybe just for kicks and giggles, I'll just, so you can see where actually everything is all legit. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That, so 10 digits. I'm just dropping some stuff in here just to satisfy the setup here, so you can see that we are all good to go. We're golden. We're going to create our database. Takes a little time. Give that a second here. It does take a minute or two because it has to create the database and all that once we get set up. And voila, we're back. So this is the same, back to the same interface that we were looking at previously. As you can see here, we are now going straight through HTTPS. We are no longer being directed to the default port of 8069. And that concludes this video, this tutorial on how to set up Odoo 14 CRM on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS with NGINX as your reverse proxy, along with a self-signed certificate, which with that a little bit of research, you'll find out how to set up your own certificate with a authorized public certificate authority. I hope this has been a great informative video. If you step through this video with me, walk through the process, we on the previous video we installed Odoo. We did this on a bare bones fresh container of Ubuntu Linux. Walked you through to get you to the stage where you can set up and deploy your own enterprise style website dynamic with all the bells and whistles and features. I hope this has been a very, very good informative video for you. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video and you like the content that I post. I'm going to just keep trying to post relevant content that's constructive for you. If you like that, hit that thumbs up. Make sure you tap that bell chime notification so you will get notified when I do drop content. I know I don't do it on a regular basis, but I like to do a little research and find out things that will be of the best constructive value for my viewers. So with that being said, I am JC. I am the host of BWIT TV. Thank you so much. I will see you on the flip side. Peace. Holla, holla. I'ma holla at you. I'm out.